In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a health UI in Figma for Roblox Studio. We'll start from a ready-made template and shape it into a clean, readable design that fits your game's style. By the end, you'll have a polished health interface that's easy to adapt to your project. Begin inside Figma and click Community. This is Figma's built-in library where creators share files, templates, and UI kits. It's a quick way to jumpstart your design without building every element from scratch, which is especially helpful for common game elements like health bars, hearts, and status counters. In the search bar, enter Game Health UI. You'll see a range of results, from minimalist bars to themed kits with icons and animations. Take a moment to preview a few options. Look for clarity, good spacing, and a style that matches your game's tone. Cartoony, sci-fi, fantasy, or realistic. Also check that the template includes the basic elements you need, like a health bar fill, a background or frame, a heart or shield icon, and a place for numbers if you plan to show remaining health. Once you find a template you like, click it, then click Open in Figma. This pulls a copy into your workspace so you can edit freely. Give the file a clear name so you can find it later, and then zoom in to inspect how the designer structured the layers and components. Understanding how it's built will make customization easier and keep everything consistent. Now customize everything to match your game. Update the text to reflect your health labels or numbers, and choose fonts that stay legible at small sizes. A bold, clean sans serif often works well in Roblox interfaces. Adjust colors for readability. High contrast is key. Consider a clear progression like green for healthy, yellow for caution, and red for low health. Make sure the bar fill color stands out against its background and keep outlines or shadows subtle so they don't compete with the main information. Adapt the shapes to your style. You can soften corners for a friendly look, use sharp edges for a tech vibe, or swap icons to match your theme. Keep spacing consistent so the UI feels balanced, and group related layers so it's easy to manage. Preview at 100% zoom to mimic in-game size and confirm everything is readable on smaller screens. When you're happy with the look, your health UI is ready for your Roblox Studio workflow. You found a template, opened it in Figma, and customized the text, fonts, and colors to create a clean, on-brand health interface for your game.